Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about cause and effect in social studies. So I'm thinking some of you have had a soccer or baseball or football game canceled because of the weather, maybe because of rain. And that's a cause and effect statement. Because of the rain, so that's the cause, the effect is that your game got canceled. So a cause is an action or event that makes something else happen. An effect is what happens as a result of that action or event. A lot of times, to identify cause and effect, we hear words or phrases like because, since, so, and as a result. Those are clue words that tell us it's a cause and effect relationship. Again, because it's raining or since it's raining, the baseball game was canceled. Sometimes the effect is even stated before the cause. So we're going to practice with the paragraph in our social studies text. We're going to read the paragraph together and identify the cause and effect. In the early 1600s, Dutch explorers arrived in what is now New Jersey. They traded cloth from other European goods with the Lenape for animal furs. Dutch explorers knew they could make a lot of money by selling furs to people in Europe. As a result, more Dutch explorers came to the Lenape's lands. They began building trading posts and forts along the Delaware and Hudson rivers. So I'm looking back in the text and I see that because the Dutch explorers arrived in New Jersey, they traded cloth and other goods with the Lenape for animal furs. Because the Dutch explorers knew they could make a lot of money by selling the furs, more Dutch explorers came to the Lenape lands. So these are examples of cause and effect relationships. We're now going to read together in your social studies text, page 55, New Jersey's early settlements. And you are going to practice on your own finding the cause and effect relationships in that passage. New Jersey's early settlements. The Dutch built forts and trading posts along major waterways that connected to the Atlantic Ocean. By doing so, they could easily ship furs from North America to Europe. The earliest Dutch trading posts were Fort Nassau and Burlington Island. Both were built along the Delaware River in 1626. At first, the Dutch settlements were temporary or not built to last. Dutch trappers and traders did not want to settle in North America. They planned to buy and sell as many furs as possible so they could return home rich. As time went on, the Dutch realized that the region offered fertile yet inexpensive land for farming. People began moving to what is now New Jersey to settle and farm. They built permanent towns or towns that were meant to last. In 1660, the Dutch built the town of Bergen along the west bank of the Hudson River. It was New Jersey's first real town. Bergen had a public school and a church. Today, Bergen is part of Jersey City. Jersey City Cemetery and Dutch street names offer evidence of or clues to the city's rich past. So now that we've read the passage, you are going to go into your Google Slides and fill out the cause and effect chart and answer the questions to go along with that passage. You may look back in your textbook on page 55 to read the passage if you need to.